Hey guys, it's Greg at Vanguard Motor Sales. Look what I got for you today. 1955 Chev, 350 under the hood, and she's black and beautiful. That's right, this baby's been on the rotisserie. The bottom side of it's just as clean as the top. She's looking sweet, black and beautiful, man. We got great looking chrome on this car. I mean, she is gorgeous. Now, when you look down the side of it, nice and straight on the paint job. Body man did a great job on it. She's got rocket wheels on her, looking sweet. All the stainless is in good shape. She's looking beautiful, man. See all the stainless up here, all looking good. Then check out the interior in there. Of course, everything on the inside's brand new also. The upholstery on the seats looking good. We got a B&M shifter in there. We got gauges underneath the dash. We got great looking paint work on the dash. Looks like it's had a third brake light added to it. I see some 6x9 speakers there. The headliner's looking sweet. And then again, she's a black 55, man. Try 5, first year. I'll tell you a little lesson here. When I'm looking at a 55 versus a 56, first thing I always look for is that gas door. On a 56, the taillight's a little bit bigger and it opens up like on a 57. You put the gas in right where the taillight is. You can see they shaved the keyhole on the deck lid. There's a button by your left knee when you're sitting in the driver's seat. They fringed in the radio antenna too. That's cool. Then you see all those reflections in that black paint looking sweet. Tell you what, she is gorgeous. The stance on the car also looking killer. Of course, jacked up in the back just a little bit. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do any consignment whatsoever. That means we own this car, so we did our homework before we laid out our money. The first thing that happens to every car is they go up on the rack so we can take pictures, do our inspection, and the video on the car. So guys, you're gonna see exactly what this dream's gonna look like when we park it in your driveway. It's 55 Chev time, baby. Listen to this 350. I tell you what, this baby is snappy too. That GM Performance motor working great. Tell you what, she is a beauty. That black paint also on that hood, showing those reflections, looking sweet. I mean, look at that. You can see the blue sky, the white clouds, the green trees. I even see the American flag in there. Now guys, at Vanguard Motor Sales, we can ship this beauty anywhere in the world. You just give us a call at 248-974-9513. Tom will tell you all about this beauty and how easy it is to park this dream in your driveway. Also, if you need help with financing, he can set you up with financing on it also. Tell you what, this is one nice driving little car right here. I might just drive this sucker home. You guys that watch all the time know I live 50 miles from here. I love taking me some hot rods home. Everybody in the neighborhood sits there and wants to know what kind of hot rod I'm driving home today. As you look down here on the dash, the Speedo is the stock Speedo, it looks like, and it's working. We got the tack mounted to the steering column here. It is a tilt steering column. It's got an aftermarket steering wheel. Then we got the 3-pack of gauges there right above that B&M shifter. That B&M shifter brings back memories too, man. Those have been around for a while. When I was a kid, a buddy with a 55 Ford truck, and I built one of those shifters right into the console of his truck. So a lot of memories in that thing, and I tell you, these Tri-5s, These things have been popular forever, even when I was a kid, which was a long time ago. And we got this guy in the Dodge Ram truck in front of us, turning left. Now he's turning right. I don't think he knows where he's going. Tell you what, I know where he's going. He's going behind me here in a minute. We'll go around his ass. We'll show him what this old 55 will do. I'll tell you what, it's kind of like American Graffiti car too, man. Oh, of course, you got oncoming traffic here. Here he goes. Now he's gone. Let's go. We're going to head back to the shop right now where we're going to put this baby up on the lift so you can see just how nice the bottom side is. We're right here at 15100 Keel Street in Plymouth, Michigan. And you got to check out this badass Resto Mod Chevelle sitting right up front there. Isn't that thing sweet? See you in a minute. All right, we're underneath the 55 now, and man, it's pretty under here. As you can see, the frame is all nicely painted. I see new body bushings here. We got the dual exhaust coming out. It looks like it's brand new. I mean, we've got the battery shutoff switch right here where it's easy to get at. Very, very cool. Then you see the 10-bolt rear end here, all painted up, nice chrome cover on it, looking good. Looks like the brake lines have been replaced at one time also. You can see that it's got disc brakes on it, and they're looking good. The gear in this thing is a 350 gear, and it is a posi. As you see, when I turn one wheel forward, they both go forward. We got the FlowMaster Mufflers. We got the floors here are all painted black, nice and shiny, looking good. More new body mounts here. The frame is also painted up, looking good. We got a crossover pipe here. We've got turbo 350 trans. That's a 3-speed automatic for those of you who don't know that. We got a solenoid mounted down here. Everything under here is looking good. We've got a power rack and pinion set up on this thing, so that steering system's been upgraded. We do have disc brakes up front. We got a big sway bar. Looks like new bushings in the sway bar also. Front frame horns are nice and straight. Chrome bumper looks like it's a reman unit. It looks like they've painted the backside of it black to match the rest of it. You can see up in that wheel well and everything how everything's nicely painted. See lots of new bolts and nuts up in there also. Let's see, two 1570-15s on the front. Looks like some real good looking Kragers. That center cap says Rocket on it. Oh yeah, those are not Kragers. They look like Kragers, but those are rocket wheels, man. That's very cool. As you look down the side here, you can see the bottom side of the rocker looks good, and on all Tri-5s, you gotta look at these braces right here. All these braces are looking good, especially this one back here. Everything's sealed up, looking sweet. Now, out back, again, we got some rocket wheels. I wasn't looking at them that close. They got that Krager look to them, but they are different. Two 3570-15s back here. Well, let's lower this baby down and take a look at that GM 350 under the hood. All right, under the hood here, you can see that radiator. They brought it to the front side of the core support. They do that a lot of times in these cars when they upgrade the motor and trans. You can see the reason they did that, they got a big electric fan on there, looking sweet. And again, this is a GM Performance 350. It's got an Edelbrock intake on it. It's got a Edelbrock carburetor. That's a 600 CFM 4-barrel. We do have power brakes here. We do have power steering. You can see the aluminum pulleys on there. Those are all brand new. That's a V-belt setup. Looks like we got upgraded front upper control arms there. I see brand new shims in there also. Firewall's all nicely painted up nice. That dipstick you see there is for the transmission. Then the one for the motor is just underneath it. Bottom side of the hood's all nicely painted. I mean, everything about this car is sweet, guys. This thing is a beautiful 55, beautiful bottom side. You just don't find that around these days. So give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your drive.